Good evening, friend. My name is Samir Khere, and today's date is 3rd September 2021. And today's video topic is on about exception, check exception, and uncheck exception. So basically, exception is an powerful mechanism to handle and such error to be occur during runtime environment or to compile time environment. To this error should not occur, so we have to be handled. So basically from check exception and uncheck exception we can handle it. So check exception is occurring during a compile time, and uncheck exception occur during runtime environment. And error will occur when that stack will be overflow, or file will be not display, or JVM memory gets full. So in that way, check uncheck and error will be occur. So basically, check exception. So check exception is occurring a compile time, as we know. So there will be the thread dot sleep also be there to for a check exception. IO exception is there. Memory exception, like memory gets full, file not found. So SQL exception. So in that type of check exception are there. So check exception is occur during compile time, as we know. So IO exception, so we can say that input and output exception occurs when we are giving some input. There will be occurring as output error, so we know as IO exception. Thread dot sleep, in which the error will be occur, we can say that it is a check exception because the thread is going to be sleep for a certain time, but is occurring in between that method. So we can say that we have to be catch that throws exception, check exception with the help of throws keyword, or we can catch that exception by try and catch method. So for throws we can declare the main methods to be throws, and we can apply where the thread is there we can apply try, and where in catch which exception is there, check exception is there, so we have to apply in sysout there will be check exception is there. So is known as check exception. Next, to go towards SQL exception, so it is occurring during a database where we have to be stored. So like in which the employee's ID is not getting found, so it's showing SQL exception is there. So in that way we can say that exception is going to be occur. There will be the uncheck exception is also be there. So uncheck exception, like during a runtime environment it is going to be occur. So uncheck exception is arithmetic exception is there, array index out of bound is there, string index out of bound is there. Next will be the we can say that overall view will be exception also is we don't know which type of exception is there, so we can just apply exception also. It will shows throws an exception. So we have to be you can say that how to catch that exceptions with the help of try and catch method and throws exception. So throws keyword, so in throws keyword we cannot say that it will catch that error, but it will throws an exception. So in console we will get in a red whichever the exception, like arithmetic exception is there, in we can apply throws exception, so it will display on console throws exception in arithmetic exception because of divisor is 0. So we can say that it is an uncheck exception. So let's take an example of for the arithmetic exception. So if I consider int a equals to 1 and int b equals to 0, so in sysout I return a by b, so it's going to be say that it is an arithmetic exception. So to handle it we have applied a try catch. So in sysout statement we have I have taken in try, and for the catch I have written I will handle it because it is an arithmetic exception. So in console it will be print whatever in sysout, like I will handle it, it is an arithmetic exception I know, so it is going to be like in that way. Next, array index out of bound. So there will be the means like take an example. There will be the array is there, so its length is up to 5. So we can say that in sysout I just call a of 20 elements, so it is going to show that array index out of bound. So to handle that error we have applied a try, We can say that in with the help of try, I can handle that error and catch. Try will show goes to catch, and catch will handle that error in sysout. Whatever written, it will be shown in console. And next, string out index out of bound is similarly working as a array index out of bound. So we have to just catch that string sysout into a try, and whatever in the catch method will be seen into the console. So next, at index after string also is completed, error will be occur during the file not exist if it is going to be memory full. So in that way we can say that check and uncheck exception will be occur. So thank you.